Hey everybody, Mike Chavez here once again. We're down here at the Hopewell Marina today. Gonna be fishing a little catfish tournament with the Catfish crew. So we're getting ready, they're signing up, getting everything ready. And if you can see that old Chris up there in the bow, let me bring you up in here. Got Petey and Luna for the mascots today. So that's all the activity going on up there.
Here comes Doug.
Wait on everyone to get here, and then we're gonna head on out. See if we can get on one or two. So y'all stand by. Chris, here we go. All right. Huh?
We're gonna hammer down Sunday.
I was just doing some background stuff.
All right, let's get it.
All right, y'all.
Let's do it.
Right here's some of our competition coming up, saying hello. Howdy, fellers. All right, y'all. Look at that fish finder. Here's our first spot we're anchoring up on. Look like we might have found one or two down there. Let's see what we can do. Getting set up. First spot. Howard doing his thing. Look at all that loveliness down in that cooler, y'all. That's a beast right there.
Yeah.
You film your technique. Hope you don't mind sharing no secrets. Man, these professional tournament anglers don't play. Check Howard out. I think he's done this once or twice. Y'all check this out. This is how
The current's rolling right here.
big time tournament anglers get their lines in the water. I'm gonna put this in fast speed. Watch this. Oh, there you go. Shit.
Where I marked them, right there in front of the boat. Or behind the boat. Go around the other way. Lodge in the way.
That'd make a stink in a frying pan, maybe almost.
See what the problem is? This is what I want.
What's the problem? What's the problem? What's the problem?
We'll get this on film.
Tell me what the problem is.
That bait. You go.
Oh, what is that? That's a
Eel.
yeah.
That's all you catch on eel.
You hear that, folks? He said it. That's all you catch on eel. I've been telling you all that for years. You never believe me. Now look, y'all listen to Elston too much. Fishing up on the Potomac. All right, then we got out of that shallow water, heading to some deep water. Let's see what we can do down there. All right, now we got to some deeper water. Let's see if we can get serious with this thing. Stand by, y'all.
I thought it was committed at that point. Yeah.
Good sign.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
There you go, Tower. You got it.
Yep, yep, yep.
I can definitely tell you it's bigger than the last.
I hope so.
Bigger than the last one we had.
They look like about 30 pounds. 25, 30.
We think?
Right there.
I tell you what. I mean, 20.
Come up and drop. All right, that's good. That's fine. Good though. We weren't even had everything out. Here, I'm gonna get away from you. Oh no, actually, I'm gonna just leave it like that. You get a new pair of pliers, Joe?
Yeah.
Look at that little box head, Joe.
Number 2. Like Keith.
Joey, that cock rod is moving, bub.
Yeah, it is. It's going away. Go up there and get that thing. It's too high for me.
I got you.
We got one.
Bring right. Yeah.
Now, how the hell I did that?
He should be on the end.
Yeah.
I told you I seen him swing with that damn thing.
All right, double up, y'all.
You got a double?
Yep.
Joey, be on the end of that bed, Joe.
Yeah, dogs.
Looks like better fish. Joe's is pretty good too.
Yeah, it feels too bad.
Howard got you beat there.
I believe you. I hope so.
I hope you have each other. Teamwork.
Now pronounce you significant others. tell you what, these guys are a well-oiled machine. Check them out. Watch them work.
I got it, Chris.
I ain't never seen anybody net 2 fish at the same daggum time. Check that action out.
2 baby fish. That's what they should. I wish they were both. I wish it was just one. That's right. See, both of them are smaller than the one we had just a minute ago. Put them all. Yeah, put them all in there. That's pretty big. No, I mean, it might be bigger than that. Put them all in there. We'll figure it out later. We wouldn't be starving. Well,
here we go.
Hey.
No, we ain't starving. He beat.
All right, if not, just get back in touch with me, gang. All right, darling. Bye.
Got him.
Yep.
Yeah, there we go. There we go.
All you gotta do is play a little Ronnie.
Better fish.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna come across all them lines, Howard.
I got it. Just let me know what you need.
Hey, how this fish reels? Feels? Reel in them lines right there, Howard. It might just be current, but
God, I'll never get them all.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
just those 2 right there. You gotta get Mike. You gotta walk out the door and get like over there.
Here, Mike. All right, Joey, I think this one's gonna be clear of you.
Yep, I do believe. Thank you.
Here, Chris, hand me the net.
Yeah, hold on a minute. We're trying to put a fish in the boat. Hold on. Yeah, actually feels pretty good.
Take that rod down good. That's that heavy rod, too.
Yeah, next time I'll try to do that. Jump out the back there like that. I'm just trying not to aim the camera at the sun.
I think if you would be over there, you'd probably be out of the sun.
Yeah, but well, we're good now. I mean,
Come over here where he's going to land it.
Actually,
I see it. Oh. I see it.
yeah, there we go.
a big one, Joe.
There you go. That ain't too bad. He's better. Yep.
Close to start.
He's all rough. Look at this face.
Yeah.
All right, time for the cameraman to get a little bit of action. Let's see what happens here. In that line.
Right.
Nope. Making a run. Oh, no, don't. Ah. That figures. record this double. Record this double, y'all.
That's a good fish right there. Look at a rod, man. That's a good thing. Joey over here catching puppies. Hey, look, that's what puppies catch. I mean, that's what eels catch. Look at it.
Hey, Doug, 12 pounds, Doug. That is a 12-pound Doug eel catfish.
That's what you catch with eels. That's what you catch with eels, little teeny fish.
12 pounds.
Gonna be a big one of the day right there.
Gonna be better.
Why don't you come over here, Mike?
Yeah, I think this will work right here. Go ahead.
Sure.
Stick. Yeah, this is good.
I think I can land him right there. Crit. Put your heels away. High five, Joey.
So it fell. No, I was actually getting ready to take it on a little drag, boys. Oh yeah. He ain't quite gave up yet.
Coming to the top of the water.
I see him.
See him out there, Mike?
Yep.
You need me to reel out all the rod out? No. I think he might be in this one. I've seen it bounce when he just hit the line.
I think he swam on the top. Go ahead and get it in, Joy. I think.
Mm-hmm.
Big fat belly on.
Pull him up.
On the floor.
There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Right there.
Look at that beast.
That's a pig right there.
Yes, sir. Pig alert. Pig alert.
I got it.
You're on the cleat. You're on the cleat. There you go.
That's a good one. That's 50 something.
Maybe more.
Shit, that's over.
Some Mike.
Awesome.
Good job, Mike.
All right.
That's gonna be 60 something all day long.
54-2.
54 too?
Yep, 54-2.
I thought he was bigger than that.
Holy moly. There you go.
That's enough.
A consolation prize for the
Get
cameraman.
him. Good job, Mike. Alright, yeah. Don't crank on him. Just go back and get that hook set in his ass good. You like anything?
Nah.
Lie to me, Mike. You could lie to me.
ain't too much. They ain't no bigger than what we got in there.
I think he's in every line back there.
Probably.
I wanted to recast them anyway. I swear that damn corner rod was gonna go there. He's still fucking with it.
I don't know, now he wants to pull. Hey, little nugget.
What's up, rookie? Need a hand, Howard? Put another one in the boat right now. Yeah. Give me a plier. Oh yeah, all bullshit on the water. Just wait till till we get to the thing. Then you'll know.
Oh my goodness.
Well, you're going to have to because I need those scales and they're not going to go in my truck without it being locked. Now we got one. We're just going to drag it back. As long as we're not going to drift in shallow water. This Revolution thing works well.
No. I bet it ain't back in the boat either.
All these rods lying behind us. Are we still dragging? Yeah.
Alright y'all, that was it for the day. Heading to the weigh-in. If y'all like to hang out for the weigh-in, stand by. If not, I hope you enjoyed the video.
Yes.
51-67. Howard, if you want to grab him, I'll just throw him in here. $21.98. Any more fish?
Where's Chris at? Chris, come on. Come on, Chris.
Any more fish?
Yeah. All right. 4. Yeah. I saw that. Monkey.
send them to me, send them to James. You got his number?
Just send them all the pictures, forward them face to face. You better do that. We questioned it multiple times. You want to get that one?
I just didn't want to get slap them down.
That's part of it, baby.
Hey, nice fish. Y'all got 39 pounds total.
Okay.
Nice fish, fellas. Good job.
Got him? Awesome. See ya. Nah, man. Good to go. Good to go.
That one right there is 31.
I know you're 31. That way, that's right there.
Team 7. No, I'm 11. I'm 11. You're Team 7.
Oh, we are.
422.
Team 11.
If this little sucker don't swim away, boy, that could be something.
Going the wrong way.
You gotta get away from him.
You're getting away like that.
Wyatt, come here. No, Wyatt. Be some kind of dumb Wyatt. Hold this fish.
It'll be on YouTube. Just so you know. You can
Come on, don't leave you like that.
It's spanking, we're spanking. So you're supposed to be at work today. Everybody's going to
Yeah.
Let's go. Called in and said you had diarrhea this morning. Not good.
Pretty work. Yeah.
Put it right there so it looks bigger. What time you got on them?
425.
Fighting to get out of here. There you go.
Say yes, I can send.
Yeah, for real. Yes, I can.
Sent to what?
Be on YouTube.
And if you called,
I mean, if I'm on there, y'all gonna have to get some
go on YouTube.
payment for me.
You having a little difficulty there, sir?
This is catfishing. There's no money.
You're right about that.
Spit money.
You spend a lot of money.
All right. Good
Got it.
job.
Like golf. 427. Ain't no problem with this week.
He's dyslexic. He's died on the
Come on over here. We'll get a picture.
Here's the big one. Hold on. Yeah.
All right, great.
You better than one of them.
Team number.
14. Trey.
14.
Trey.
Really? What time you got on them?
Turn around, Nick.
Get yourself a gun. Get yourself a gun. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
There you go.
Watch it. There you go. Give a copy.
There you go. Hold on to the fish now.
Bear hug that fish.
Yeah, bear hug.
Give that fish a big bear hug.
Look, the one right there. Look, there you go.
433.
I ain't holding you. You better go. You won't hit the water. You better get with it.
Number y'all work.
19.
19. You got time on him. What time do you have on him?
Got to. Good job, guys.
What time you got on him?
434.
Speaking, not
I got you.
literally.
Hold on.
Ow!
Hang on, let me get you. My phone messed up. Hold on.
With a,
Hang on.
Suck
phone
it up,
messed
man. Suck it up. Right here. Look here. There you go.
Hey. Pretty well. All right, y'all, tournament's over. Had a great time. I just come along to film. As you can see, I didn't catch many fish. I caught me one, lost one. Hey, but the fellas did a great job. So, y'all, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Bye.